Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So as expected, onwards and upwards, didn't really bounce off anything, but it is a week of data, and there was some data that came out yesterday, which got this thing moving. So let's just get some levels in, and these levels are pretty important, and I would say a level just above us is very important, and then we have some structure, and that's two levels, which is this little zone here to the downside, and that to me is the buying opportunity. Firstly, the oscillators on the 8-hour have separated, so that's a bit of a worry, and we do have a break of a small channel, so I would expect some kind of a rejection somewhere just to pull back, get a better price, and then we should be looking for an opportunity to buy back into this. So if we just drill down through the time frames, you're going to see fairly bullish structure all over the place. Oscillators a little bit overbought at the moment. We have broken through the 150 EMA, and look where the 150 EMA is, right on this zone that I've just put in. So 5400 is the area that you need to pay attention to for price to come back, test, and for another opportunity to the upside. Just below that is 53.75, and then you even have 53.33, which is also a fairly good opportunity. Now on the hour, you can see we got the break yesterday that we were looking for. Remember, we were looking for a break of the day before's high, Monday's high and Friday's high, before we even considered moving or considered looking for an opportunity to the upside. The other area, but it's not that clear, we'll see it now in the 15-minute, there was an opportunity which you could have taken. So look at the hour, pretty much an inside bar, not on any structure. So there's a swing high there that we were looking at yesterday, and that was 53.47, but we just move this level on, you'll probably find that we are 53.50, 53.49, 53.50. So kind of a round number that it bounced off, and we'll see if there's something on the 15-minute. There was definitely that on the hour, just an inside bar off a fairly decent level, was a fairly good gamble in my view. Big stop loss, 400-point stop loss, but a fairly good gamble. So if we look left, you can see just on this 53.50 area, 53.51, there was a pin bar there, lots of interaction at this level, and then you can see down, no decision, big engulfing bar. There was definitely an option above the 150 EMA, definitely an option there. I would say 150-point stop loss, oscillators grip the downside, everything textbook. And that was around 9:45. Well, actually this bar was 11 o'clock, wasn't it? Yeah, so 11 a.m. GMT time. So what was that? 11, 12, 1, that's 1 o'clock South African time. And you can see there was a fairly decent opportunity there which got above the moving averages and just stayed. I'd still be in for that if we'd got it, but being at 1 o'clock, difficult to pick up. Anyway, what are we looking for today? Definitely looking for a pullback to 5400 if possible. It is also probable that we're not going to do that, but we do have 5450 just above us, which is going to offer some resistance. It's a big area, so you're either going to see a range form here, and then we need to wait for the break of 5450 and the retest of that before getting in, or we will bump ahead and then come back and get an opportunity down at 5400. So it's either to buy at 5400 or to wait for a break of 5450 retest, and then you've got another opportunity. 5450 is a massive area. If you look to the left, massive area. It's also a sort of a diagonal head and shoulders, which the bears would be attempting to take on. But the noise around interest rate cuts now is fast becoming a lot. I was going to say something else, but it definitely, there's a lot more noise about interest rate cuts at the moment than there has been. So I suspect with there's smoke, there's fire, you're probably going to see a cut either early next month or even late this month at the moment. So that's kind of the outlook. I'm looking for either a break and retest to get going, but that's going to be extended. I'd prefer a pullback onto 5400, 5390 zone before looking for an opportunity to get back in for a move to the upside. Okay, anyway, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.